it up here. That's sexual harassment.
You're lucky it's not the one with nails in it.
That's sexual harassment.
It is not.
It's still sexual harassment.
I'm married to you, it doesn't matter.
I think it does.
I don't think so.
Quick size comparison for you. So usually about once a week we get one of these, and this is a double yolk egg. You can see the size difference is huge. It's always fun. The kids love it. It's fun. But we'll crack the small one first. Or actually, we'll crack the double yolk first. So you can see there's two of them in there. Things I didn't think I'd have to deal with a puppy. I got a breaker of that. It'd be dangerous when the PTO is running. Alright, so this is a stream crossing right here. So we're going to show you how we handle it. I just thought I'd tell them that what we're wearing is probably not OSHA approved.
Definitely not.
Although,
we're working on our pasty skin.
Well, her pasty skin. But these are actually steel toe flip-flops.
If you make steel toe flip-flops, Travis will buy them.
I do a lot of work in flip-flops. It's just comfy. When you're as short as I am, like I weed eat in flip-flops, for me to hit my feet with the weed eater, I'd have to turn like this to get myself. So
I'm sure on camera he don't look that short. But he stopped growing when he was 10. I'm working.
to be continued in the morning. What you doing?
Making face masks for the essential personnel in our family and friends.
It's a good idea. Do you know what you're doing?
Sometimes. I'm learning.
Well, you're a little late for that. Hey, good morning, everyone. We are going to finish up this today. As you can see, we got severe storms coming, so we are on a time crunch. Probably got about an hour and some change before it gets here, but I got a lot of the fence laid out last night, like you saw, so it shouldn't take us too terribly long. Gonna start setting the fence up real quick so that we can pull it tight. Ooh, we gotta move. storm's passed, the sun's back out as you can see, but we're done with fencing. That is the end of this. So like I said before, this is a huge upgrade for our farm. This is going to save us a lot of time, a lot of money. You know, and the money that it's saving obviously is long term. We're not gonna get it back, you know, this year per se, but as our numbers of our flock grow, the amount of money that it'll save us increases exponentially, because at 100 head having to deworm, and then 200, and then 300, and then 350, it adds up real quick. Now, we're not spending thousands of dollars on dewormers a year, but it adds up real quick, and then my time and my wife's time is worth money. If we can do this without having to deworm so often, that's a far better meat product that's being produced, and a much better product that we feel about sending out to the market. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Stick around. This is not the only upgrade that's happening this year. There's a very big one coming soon. So thanks again, and if you're interested, there's shirts. There's a website link down below in the description, and if you want a Freedom Farm shirt, you can get one. They're all 100% made in the USA. We won't put our emblem or our farm logo on anything else. So thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed week.